Hi guys, welcome to JEENAGER Finance. So yeah, on this channel we'll talk about fintech, finance, cryptocurrency in a non-threatening way because Professor T Banks will make things very easy for you. So you guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys talking about my experience with LCREDIT Loan App. Are they a scam? Is it a scam app? We're just going to be talking about them because there has been a lot of complaints about LCREDIT, and I want to talk about my own personal experience with this company. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, all right, and join our community here online. So you guys, the first time I heard about LCREDIT was January 2021. We're in December right now, so it's taking me about 11 months to do this video. I just woke up one morning, I think it was on the 3rd day of January, and different people were sending my husband messages like, oh, congratulations, your wife has been made brand ambassador. She's really doing well. So I was like, brand ambassador from where to where? So people are like, we've been seeing your ads for one loan company called LCREDIT. I was like, I'm not aware, I don't know these people from anywhere. And they're like, that they've been seeing the ads on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram with my face. And that was really giving me cause for concern because you guys know that there are a lot of fraudsters that do a lot of finance applications and all of that. So I don't want to be associated with people that I don't know from Adam, because aside YouTube, I'm a lawyer, I'm a finance expert, a certified microfinance expert. So this is what I do. So I shouldn't be affiliated with people that are fraudsters. Okay, so I now began to do investigation because I was like, okay, this is first of all this is fraudulent, and this is misrepresentation because they did not pay me. There's a difference when you are paid as an influencer to talk about a company or a product or what, that okay, there's a commercial agreement between you and that particular company. But in this case, I was not paid, I was not contacted, and you are using my videos as well as my pictures, because at the time I think I was like the only one talking about finance and loans on the YT space in Nigeria. So I was really concerned. So we began to do investigation, and we now found out that LCREDIT is not the name of the company. The real registered company in Nigeria is called Kashigo International Limited. So of which we could not find any details about them. So I had to trace the lawyer that incorporated their company and send letters to the lawyer and his business, because I realized that one of the partners was one of the directors in a bank that in an insurance company, that I used to work. So I was like, okay, so that means that these people have credible people working with them. So initially they were calling my bluff, but by the time they now began to see that okay, this person is not somebody that you can just mess with, they now responded and said that they only incorporated their company, and after that they had no business with them because we were threatening for some huge amount of money, because what they did was absolutely wrong. Last we shall found out, because by the time we were sending letters, I even put out a disclaimer. Let me look for that disclaimer. Let me read it out for you guys. Yeah, I put it on my community and I put it everywhere. I said, disclaimer notice, impersonation and fraudulent act. It has come to my attention that Kashigo International Limited, publishers of the LCREDIT Loan App, are using a video created by JEENAGER Nigerian Online, blah blah blah, owned by Barrister Mrs. Opay Banks, for advertorial on Android ads multi-channel platform as well as other social media platforms without consent from me. This company of impostors are trying to pass themselves off as being associated with Mrs. Temtope Banks, taking hold of our videos and pictures and using it for advertorial with intent to defraud people online. I have received reports from several friends, family, colleagues and viewers asking for advice on how to transact business with this company based on my personal and professional reputation. I wish to state that Kashigo International Limited, aka LCREDIT, did not engage me professionally to promote their app, and I'm not in any way affiliated with the loan app. I therefore denounce this fraudulent and unscrupulous impersonation and hereby alert the general public to this urgent situation. Should you come across the said advertorial of LCREDIT, please do not engage in any transaction with them. Temtokwe Banks. This was 1 year ago, you guys. Anyway, so we put out that disclaimer. Also send letters to their lawyers, because the company itself is more like a shell company. They operate out of Singapore or China or somewhere. I can't remember right now. But anyway, we kind of sorted it out and we moved on. So this is almost a year later, and I'm seeing people calling out LCREDIT for being scams, for fraudulent activities. And you guys, you know, most of these loan companies are really loan sharks. You guys need to be careful, okay? I'm not going to come and tell you, oh, there is scam or this, but if you have seen their antecedents, as well as how they cannot pay for somebody to do proper influencing, they have to go and be stealing people's work to advertise their product because they were new at the time. That's about a year ago. That they have been operating in with another business name before they now created the LCREDIT brand. So it shows you the type of company that they are. Okay, I'm going to read somebody's experience from Facebook, and we're going to call this video a day. You make your own decision, because I know that people have coconut head. Some of you, not all of you, you have coconut head. You still want to go and borrow money. It's okay. Don't come and complain when you see what is more than you. All right. Anyway, let me read this person's experience. This is a very long read. General notice: LCREDIT is now into criminal acts. I have been a borrower with LCREDIT for 4 times with no payment delay, nothing until the 5th one. My loan was to be paid on 30th of October, but before I got a notification, from Google security alert telling me that LCREDIT app is intruding into my phone details and as such is harmful, so I should uninstall, which I did. On the 29th of October, a day to my due loan repayment, I tried installing the app to enable me make payments, make repayments, but to no avail. I still kept calm with the mind that I will pay the following day, being 30th, yet the app was not functional. I chatted LCREDIT on their WhatsApp group, telling them that I want to make my loan repayments because it is due and that I don't have time for their problem. Meanwhile, I got replied from the management team that their app is presently undergoing maintenance and upgrade functionality. Throughout the week and that of November, I tried checking Play Store to install the app and make payments, but the app was unavailable. While their app was unavailable, they kept calling me and my contact. My big problem now is the fact that I was able to install the app from the Play Store, but my loan has increased from 28,700 to 90,000 with some fraction. Thus, I didn't get any SMS message from them as medium to get repayment, which every other team do, and I was giving 22,000 naira. The thing is, I don't know if LCREDIT is trying to scam Nigerians or this is their way of suffocating someone to death. So basically what this person is saying is that he was supposed to repay 28,700 as the loan that was due. Now LCREDIT, due to their own negligence or whatever, app maintenance, their app was down, so there was no way this person could have installed the app because they had sent him a message that the app is under, what is it called now, maintenance. But now they now increased the loan from 28,700 to 90,000. Now what I don't know is what the interest rate on that loan is, so I really cannot talk about it. But different people are saying that that is how they operate, okay? And you guys, different people have bad experiences with LCREDIT. I'm not going to flog the matter anymore. This might even be the last video I'm going to do about this particular app. So be careful, you guys. They go as far as calling your contact to say that you are a thief and all of that. So you guys be very, very careful. Anyway, okay, this somebody says LCREDIT is a scamming platform owned by faceless individuals and solely involved in giving out a loan and making it impossible for you to pay so that it can accrue overblown interest. Exactly. And their app is very harmful to your phone and your financials. Please run away very far. They are scammers. I repeat, they are scammers. Like, it's very, very terrible. Like, how do you do that if you are not you guys? Somebody is here saying that Google Play Store pulled down the app because of their fraudulent ways. I tried reaching them to no avails. I went online, couldn't get any of their number. All they kept doing was sending a pre-recorded message to me through phone. I called that number. I was told it doesn't receive calls. How does a business giving out loans do everything possible for you not? Because they are not based in Nigeria. They are based in Singapore. That's why even Google Play Store even advised everyone to quickly delete their apps from our phone, which I did. When I observed it, I decided to pay back their loan, but there was no account number anywhere to pay back to. Yes, because they don't, because they know that people can trace them. Because that's one of the things that I personally experienced when we were trying to trace these people, because we wanted to hit them with serious lawsuits. I waited until they sent that message late in the day so that I'll be caught off guard. But since I had the money ready, I quickly transferred the money to that account. So you guys notice that even on their website, they did not put their account number. They just said Kashigo International Limited, Zenith Bank. There was no account number on it. What type of business does that if they do not have sinister motives in running their business? Anyway, this person is saying, so you know what, they have been sending me messages to me through my email and phone that I should go and pay them. I have paid though. They are scammers. They mean you ill will. They are not just there to get their interest and go. They are there to frustrate and hinder you. I've tried to get their physical address to go and complain, but they have 4 different. Exactly, I even forgot to mention this. They have 4, and the address of their company is not their company address. It is the address of the lawyer that registered that company. So even the lawyer will tell you that, and I think people even need to take them up on that, because you cannot keep saying that, oh, you just register, that's the official. I know that lawyers, we do that. You use your own office as official address for your clients, but they should go and do change of address. Anyway, LCREDIT matter, we will not finish. I've posted a review. You guys go and watch it and make decisions for yourself. I know that January is coming and people are going to be cash strapped. I'm going to do another video on apps, loan apps that you should run. Use your 2 legs and run for your dear lives. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.